Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faishoki Fauzi, and we from Group 4 will present about our mini project of ECE 521, which is we name it as Indah Alam. This is all of the group members. The first one is Muhammad Khaidinish bin Abdul Halil. The second one, which is me, Ahmad Faishoki bin Muhammad Fauzi. And the last one is Muhammad Nabil Imran bin Muhammad Rafiq. Our presentation will include 6 parts, which are the first one is objectives of the project. The second one is system specification. The third one is hardware design. Next is software design. Then is the result of the project. And lastly is the conclusion of the project. Project objectives. The objective of this project is to design a project named Indah Alam using STM32F446RE with 2 inputs and 3 outputs. The purpose of using the Bluetooth devices is to control the alert system efficiently without having connecting wires. The purpose of IR sensor is to detect the movement of the children through balcony's door, and it will activate the 2 LEDs and buzzer inside the parents' room. This system will alert the parents when their children approach the balcony door. In general, this project will be one of the effective ways to reduce or eliminate cases of children falling from high places, especially balconies. For system specification, okay. For the input system, we use 2 input, which is IR sensor and Bluetooth. For the IR sensor is to detect children movement, and for the Bluetooth is as a switch to turn on or turn off the alarm from the parent's phone. For the output system, we use 3 output, which are LED, buzzer, and LCD display. LED used to blink to alert the parents. Buzzer used to ring to alert the parents, and LCD display is to give warning to the children. Okay, for the first, we enter command 1 at the Bluetooth application in the phone to activate the system. Then, if IR sensor detect children's movement, it will activate the LED and buzzer, and the LED will blinking and the buzzer will ringing at the parents' room to alert the parents. When the IR sensor detect children movement too, LCD display will display warning. You can put the name of your children. Get in now to warn the children. To turn off the system, we can enter command 0 at the Bluetooth application. Then the LCD will display don't come near this area if the system off or no movement detected. Okay, for the hardware design, these are some of the pictures of the prototype that we had done, and they are the sketch of the prototype. These 3 pictures are the Bluetooth modules. For the first picture is showed that when nothing, no command entered. For the second picture, this is when the command 1 entered, and the last picture is when the 0 command entered. Okay, for this picture is the soldered parts in our prototype. We soldered all the input and output to the board, to the donut board. Okay, this is the block diagram of the prototype. As we can see, Bluetooth, or we call it HC05, is connected to the manual input and at the STM. IR sensor is connected to the automatic input at the STM, and the output is the buzzer, 2 LEDs, and LCD. So this is the schematic diagram. for the project. This is the circuit diagram for the project.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Kadanis bin Abdalil. So as you can see here, this is our flowchart. Firstly, we start and turn on the power source. The LCD will display board, and then for like 1 second, it will LCD will display "Do not come near this area," and then the user will connect to Bluetooth. If the user press 1, if Bluetooth equal to 1, uh, if sensor IR sensor detect some movement, the LED will blinking and the buzzer will buzz. At the same time, the LCD will display warning Kai, get in now. So uh, if the user press 0 uh, in the Bluetooth app, uh, nothing will happen in this system. In the system, okay. And then we move to our full coding. So from page 14 until page 19 is our full coding. And then we move to our coding explanation. Firstly, this figure shows our library that we install and use in this coding, which is liquid crystal underscore I2C.h to allow communication with an LCD using the I2C communication protocol. It allows to connect an LCD with an I2C backpack. This enables to reduce the number of wires needed to connect the LCD to the microcontroller. And then we use the library software serial.h to allow for serial communication using software instead of, of hardware because we use Bluetooth in this project. And then this figure shows the declaration of port that we use in this coding. You can see in line 14, we declare IR sensor in port 2, line 15, buzzer in port 7, line 16 and 17, we declare LED 1 in port 5 and LED 2 in port 6. Figure 3 shows the function of the IR sensor to detect movement. We also can call the function in the main function. And then figure 4 shows the command function for LED 1, LED 2, and buzzer. The loop is being used for this function to run the function for 36 cycles. In this function, is there any movement when someone turns on the IR sensor? The LED 1 and LED 2 will blinking and the buzzer will ring as we set the frequency, and it will continue to run for 36 cycles because of the loop that we use. We also can call the function in the main function. And then figure 5 shows the command function for Bluetooth. If we press 1 in the Bluetooth application and at the same time, if there's any movement detected by our sensor, the LCD will display warning Kai and get in now. And in the Bluetooth application, it will display budak lalu. We can call the function in the main function. Figure 6 also shows the other command function for Bluetooth. If we press 0 in the application, it will turn off some of the components, which are LED 1, LED 2, and buzzer, even if there is some movement detected by the IR sensor. we can call the function in the main function.
Press one.
Oh my god, press 2.
Asal tak bagi ni lampu ni? Tak cakap. Tak lah, macam dia dulu. Apa nampak? Aku tak luar tadi. Ni, kita ada susun ni. Kita susun rapat-rapat. Ni kamu punya jarak. Tapi kita rapatkan tu.
Rapatkan semua lah. Ada selang-selang.
Ni untuk apa ni?
Ni ground.
No function.
Setting kita ni.
Mana-mana lah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Rockfi, and I will show you how this project works.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.